The last part of creating a course registration is to create the sections that go with your course. If some time has passed and you're no longer on this page, you can navigate back to this page at any time by going to Propose a Course and selecting your course projects. You'll notice that this course is a course project under the Projects tab. It has a current course number, but this won't do anything for participants until it has been approved. It shows the date it's created. Next, you'll see that our course is currently at an incomplete status because we haven't created any sections. By selecting the Action drop-down, we'll go to Edit Course, and from here we can create our section, or we can go back to Edit Course and see the course as a whole. So this was the first part that we created in the first video clip, and then the second video clip was the course settings, and now we'll scroll down to where our course sections are. We'll create a new section and fill in the information. If your course is in Canvas or another online platform, you can identify the location as online. Otherwise, you'll want to fill in the location below. The attendance box will trigger a QR code to be created so that the instructor can post the QR code and participants can scan it, which will automatically mark their attendance in Performance Matters. If you're only collecting attendance once a day, you can leave it at the default. Otherwise, you can select twice a day. This would give you 2 QR codes, one for the morning, one for the afternoon. This also gives you 2 separate sign-in sheets. Fill in the contact person, and the credit type and hours should by default already be filled in and you do not need to change it. Be sure that you do not check the box beside Allow participants to register for multiple types of credit. Now, if you wanted participants to have an option of the type of credit that they receive for a course, for example, when a participant would register for this course, they would have an option to choose between 0.5 of General CEU or 0.5 of Digital Learning. If you had checked this box, it would give participants 0.5 of General and 0.5 of Digital Learning, which we cannot do. Once you scroll down, fill in all of the information as it pertains to your course, and you'll notice the required boxes by the asterisk. If you want the section to release immediately upon approval, there's no need to fill this out. If you would prefer for the section release date to happen at a specific time, that's when you'll fill this out. And you'll also notice that there are no instructors currently listed in this course. We'll fill this in on the next page. For now, if you have any notes to add for the section participants, add it here. You can also attach files, and then hit Create. As you scroll through, you can double check that everything is filled in the way that you want, and you'll notice that we are missing class times and instructors, which we'll fill in now. For instructors, once you click the button, fill in the instructor's name, select the instructor you wish to add, hit Add User, and done. This instructor will have the ability to mark attendance and complete the roster status. We'll now add our class times. Hit Add a new class time in the top left, and by default it will fill in the class time that you selected on the section page. Hit Save and Exit. Now hit Done. You'll now notice that our course is in a Submit for Review status instead of Incomplete or Project. If you're ready to submit your course, hit Submit for Review. Then hit OK. And now your project has been submitted to the Level 1 approver in your school or your office.